In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete history on YouTube. We will walk through cleaning up both watch history and search history so your past activity is under your control. Start on your computer by opening YouTube and signing in. Make sure you see your profile picture in the top right. That tells you that your account is active and any changes you make will apply to this signed-in account. Now click the menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. It sits near the top left of the YouTube page. When you click it, a side panel opens, showing options like Home, Shorts, Subscriptions, and more. From that side panel, select History. The main area of the page changes to a list of videos you have recently watched. On the right side, you will also see a small panel with extra history controls. You may search or scroll and select the specific video or watched history item that you want to remove. If your list is long, use the search box on the right side labeled Search Watch History to quickly find a title you remember. Once you spot a video you want gone, click the 3-dot icon next to it, then choose Remove from Watch History. As soon as you click that, the video disappears from the list. That means YouTube will not use that video in your watch history-based recommendations anymore. If you want a fresh start, you may also clear all watch history by clicking Clear All Watch History on the right menu. A prompt appears so you can confirm, and after you accept, the entire list of watched videos on that account becomes empty. For a complete cleanup, use the path YouTube, then Menu, then History, then Manage All History, then Delete, and finally choose the available period. Here you can remove history from the last hour, last day, or a custom date range, and the changes sync with your Google account level activity. Deleting watch history for a selected period can also delete your YouTube search history for that same period. This link between watch and search activity means a single cleanup step can remove both what you viewed and what you looked for across all devices using that account. To stop YouTube from saving future history, go to Manage All History again. The page shows your YouTube activity plus options along the top, so you know you are editing ongoing tracking, not just past items. Open the Controls section. In this section, you see switches that control how YouTube logs your activity over time. Changes here apply automatically as you toggle them. Turn off Include the YouTube videos that you watch. Once that switch is off, new videos you watch will no longer appear in your history list. Recommendations may become more generic because YouTube has less data. You can also turn off Include your searches on YouTube. With that off, new search terms you type will not be stored, so the search box suggestions rely only on very recent or local data. YouTube also lets you set auto-delete for YouTube history. Available periods include 3, 18, or 36 months. Auto-delete is helpful if you want history for recommendations, but do not want it stored for years. To delete search history directly, click on the search bar on the top and just click the X icon next to a searched video. Each time you click that small X, the individual term or video suggestion disappears from the drop-down list. No confirmation is required. The suggestion or searched video will automatically be removed. You have now cleaned up existing YouTube history, controlled what saves next, and even set automatic cleanup. If this helped you take control of your YouTube history, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more clear how-tos.